Hey guys, what is up? Soul Rebel RC again. I got the Traxxas Maxx out for a rip today. I decided to try out these 3.15 by the 5.9 knobby style tire off the Kaiju. Back in this softer stuff, I figured it would do well back here with these knobbies. They're a little bit harder compound, and the wheels themselves are much stiffer. I'll take it. About to switch up in a minute. Yeah, that was hot. Damn, boy. She hustling. She moving, boy. She gets to bouncing, and you're trying to turn, and it's just fucking bouncing. It's not turning. Smooth. Ooh. I was waiting for it to be in water. Oh. So hey guys, I know that was hard to see. That was a gnarly crash, and unfortunately my camera died right after. But the truck was fine, minus 2 rear bearings, which I've replaced. Other than that, it drove like a tank, plowed right through that soft stuff. I was very pleased with the way those tires performed on that truck. I also wanted to show how the truck performed on a high traction surface with these tires, so you'd have that comparison too. So let's check it out. They're nice for soft stuff. I haven't really run them a whole lot in the grass. I'm sure like anything. You can see it's starting to roll over there. Here we go. Let's do it. Quick speed and then turn. So you can see it rolls just as easily as any other RC would. So. I'm not saying I'm going to leave these tires on here. These are the best tires to get, but for that soft sand shit, I think they're definitely nice. Definitely nice. Alright guys, so that's the Kaiju tires on the Maxx. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. See you on the next one, fellas. Peace. Later.